Check this out, guys. What? And then it closes too. That's just weird. This has got to be one of the worst things you could possibly encounter. Headphones get tangled in themselves, but this is two headphone cables tangled together. This is a disaster. Oh, I can really get used to that. Really cool thing about the new Silverados is the new mirror design. So now it's wider than it was taller. And it also has the blind spot monitoring too that you can see right there turning on to let you know there's someone in your blind spot. There really is no blind spots in this truck though. I can see pretty much everywhere I'm going, so I really like how there is no blind spots. The mirrors are really cool though. They're wider than they are taller, so it's more of like a sports car design. All right, we're back here at Salmon Chevrolet. Take one last final good look at the Silverado because in a little bit, she is going to be looking a little bit different. Little leveling kit on the front to bring it up about 2 inches to make it level with the rear. And then we can fit some nice beefy tires in this thing. Stumbled upon a leveled Silverado here on the front line of the dealership, sitting on 285 65 by 20s. That's about a 34.5-inch tire on 20-inch rims. So this is kind of the look we're going for here. So that gives me a really good idea of what size wheel and tire I should go with. It's kind of nuts because this truck is so massive. 20-inch wheels look like nothing on this thing. Yeah, that's clean. I like it. So here's a 19 Silverado Z71 with the blacked out front end option. So everything that is chrome on the front end of mine is painted black on this one. I'm not really a fan of black against a different body color. It kind of reminds me of those olden days with the leather clear bras on the front end. I don't know, it just doesn't flow right. And if you guys miss my Canyon so much and you want to come down here to Salmon Chevrolet and buy it, it is on sale. I'll put a link in the description below. Oh, it's sad.
5 hours later.
Oh yeah, back to business. Ooh, we are sitting tall, boys. We're sitting tall. I'm happy right now. I'm stoked. Little things in life like that, they're really... Whoa. All right, so the leveling kit has been installed and it came out spectacular. I love a level truck. Rakes don't work for me. So now we have the ability to fit bigger tires, and that is the best part about this whole thing. I think eventually one day in the near future or sometime in the future, I don't know when, but I might end up doing something more like a 3-inch kit, but that'll be some time out. For now, a leveling kit was perfect for what I want to do. I'll also be removing that air deflector down there. Hopefully it's the same way as the Canyon, and it's like, you know, 13 bolts and it falls right off. And we can afford to lose the mile per gallon. Not a problem, because what we want to do with this truck, that is going to be nothing but a nuisance. So that'll come off ASAP. We'll throw some bigger tires and some bigger wheels too. I think this truck calls for 20s. Because the truck is so massive, we need a bigger wheel because we're wrapping this in more than likely 34s. But judging by the way they fit so comfortably on that leveled Silverado at the dealership, we might be able to get away with 35s. If we can do it, we will. I'll talk to some professionals and see if we can get away with it on this truck. But if we can't, 34s look just fine to me as well. Now I'm torn between going for, preferably I like Methods or Fuels. I'm not partial to those brands, but those wheels have a nice selection. I've always done Methods in the past, but I want to go with something, maybe bronze. I'm thinking about bronze. I don't know for sure if I want bronze. Satin black has always been the safe move. It never looks bad. I love black on black on black. Once the chrome's all blacked out and we get the black wheels on there and it's already tinted and everything's all blacked out, it's gonna look really, really good. But I think this time I'm considering doing something a little more out there, a little different from something I've done in the past. I've never done bronze or any other color of wheel. If I've purchased aftermarket sets of wheels, I've always gone with black. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if bronze would be a good choice or if we should just stick with black on black. I think black on black looks really good. You can never go wrong with black on black. I don't care how played out it is. Black on black looks really, really good. So we have another mod on the way very, very soon. It's on the way right now. It's in the mail as we speak. Hopefully it shows up at the shop in the next few days, because as soon as I get that, I'm sending it right to the shop and having it installed. You guys are not going to want to miss it. So make sure you guys stick around. Hey dude, are you sure you want to be seen in a Chevy though? You sure? It's not a Ford.
I could sit in back, making my chauffeur.
They are
I mean, that'd be
tinted.
more
They're darker
appropriate.
back there. You might want to sit back there, actually. All right, here we are at Four Wheel Parts. Just in time for them to close. We are going to be that last group of people in the shop, but that's all right. We need help on wheels and tires. Do you want to pick my wheels?
Yeah, these ones.
Those are nice. This is tough, dude. There's a lot of options here. Dang it.
These ones. KMC's always a good run. And they're gray. See, you gotta beat everybody else for getting the gray, dude.
I'm leaning towards this one. I like this one a lot.
I think you should get that one.
It's clean. Huh.
Titanium finish.
Series 41 Pro Comps. Those are an option too. Okay, so
Are you gonna get
option number 1, option number 2, or the Predator Series 35.
I can see like your whole upper control arm clear as day because your tires and wheels are so
Oh, I know.
puny.
So now we have the 2-inch leveling kit installed, and it looks like we have baby tires now. We got some room to go bigger now. What'd you say?
No, it's just Chevy.
It's a Chevy. Okay, yeah. I thought I heard you say something over there, but I must have been hearing things. I should be doing a walk around of that truck over there. You're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's Ford, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and it's black. It's almost equal, except his can actually fit whatever wheel he wants.
It's actually a very similar look to my truck. Well, I mean, soon when we get wheels and tires.
Like a Colorado that's got fat. That looks like a man's truck.
It's a Colorado that gained weight, really.
Like 4 full-size doors instead of like, you know, mid-size doors.
Don't forget the 3 inches of extra legroom in the back
Yeah.
that your Ford doesn't have, right? Oh, because you have a split cab.
Yeah,
Exactly. You have a Mustang and an F-150 extra cab because you don't like passengers.
Yeah.
We're on the hunt for wheels and tires, but that didn't go quite as planned because at least 4 Parts didn't know the actual, I guess, back spacing needed for the 2019 Silverados. So the caliper is bigger, it's thicker, and it's creating a lot of fitment issues with aftermarket wheel companies.
You need to wrap this thing in either a matte or a satin because all these body lines right here, you can't see them because of the gloss.
Oh no, I know. You lose a lot of values before the wrap. Like when I wrapped my Canyon, all those body lines popped so hard.
Same thing.
It looks so nice.
Mustang, dude. Like that thing's matte blue now.
Comment below if I should wrap the truck in, I like satin, so any satin color would be cool.
Satin or matte? Do satin or matte.
What do you guys think? Should I wrap the truck in a satin or a matte color? Comment below if I should and what color should I go with. Let me know. I'm debating. I like black, but when it looks nice, that made no sense. But when it looks nice. I don't know, I like the gloss black. I like the painted black. It looks nice. Clear bra or wrap? That is the decision next to make. But for now, let's do one thing at a time. We need to pick a set of wheels. So if any of you guys have a favorite wheel company or a style of wheel, drop that in the comment box below. It brings us to the other concern is which ones can we fit on this truck, because that's also something that we have so far ran into an issue with. But yes, we are going to be stepping up our wheel game very, very soon here. I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.